In this video, we'll show you how to use the Job Match tool to analyze your resume with a specific job opening. First thing you want to do is navigate to the website. Second thing, you want to create an account. Once you create an account, it'll log you into your dashboard. From there, you'll want to create a resume. So you can upload a PDF, Microsoft Word, or if you have an existing resume already on the platform, you can download and upload as the JSON. From the resumes, once you've uploaded those, you go to resumes, then you'll choose your resume, and there's multiple different tools there are. So there's sentiment analysis, which we'll talk in a different video, but for this one we'll use the job match. Second thing you want to do is copy and paste a URL to a job that you're interested in. You'll click next. The website will show a preview if it's accessible. Some websites block accessing the content of the website. So in that particular case, you'll be prompted to copy and paste the details of the job description manually. Next, you'll go over to the next option. Processing is still be running in the background. If that's the case, that button won't be active. We can see that now we're running the match. We're doing the comparison from the job description with a resume, and there's the results. So for myself, with this resume, it looks like I was a good match. It says that overall, full stack position, leadership experience, etc., education, and lots of details there. So it gives you full information to update your resume to best match the job description. Thanks for watching.